Let's count the numbers from 1 to 10. 1. This is 1. Let's draw the 1. O N E 1. This is 1. One pair. 2. This is 2. Let's draw the 2. T W O 2. TWO 2. 2 orange. 2 oranges. 3. This is 3. Let's draw the 3. T H R E 3. This is 3. 3 strawberries. 3 strawberries. 4. This is 4. Let's draw the 4. F O U R 4. This is 4. 4 banana. 4 bananas. 5. This is 5. Let's draw the 5. F I V E 5. This is 5. 5 apples. 5 apples. 6. This is 6. Let's draw the 6. S I X 6. This is 6. 6 avocados. 6 avocados. 7. This is 7. Let's draw the 7. S E V E N 7. This is 7. 7 tomatoes. 8. This is 8. Let's draw the 8. E I G H T 8. This is 8. 8 grapes. 8 grapes. 9. This is 9. Let's draw the 9. N I N E 9. This is 9. 9 red berries. 9 red berries. 10. This is 10. Let's draw the 10. 1 0 10. T E N 10. 10. This is 10. 10 Watermelons. 10 watermelons.